Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 of my San Francisco 49ers realistic rebuild on Madden 18. We had just finished week 4. We are unfortunately 0-4 to start the year, but we're ready to advance the week and hopefully get a win next week. That's all I can say. Somebody is ready to come back. Joe Williams, alright. We'll let him stay in ahead of Win Smallwood. Win Smallwood can be here for depth, but we do like Tariq Cohen as our secondary back. So we're going to do that adjustment. I think there might have been 2 people. Rico Gather says, alright. Kittle has done really good so far, though. We're going to let Kittle keep the starting job and have Rico Gathers come in as the second tight end and 2 tight end sets. So we're going to have to up our offer for Garoppolo if we want to keep him. Looks like they kind of already adjusted it. Or maybe this is our last offer. So he wants a $12 million signing bonus. Unfortunately, guys, I think we're going to have to give it to him. Good thing for us, we have cap room, but we need a quarterback bad. And he's played pretty well this year. He's only going to get better. He's still young. I need a better salary. I thought I get 6.2. Okay, I need to put up a tad, I guess. Aaron Lynch is ready to negotiate. We'll try to negotiate with him. Offer him basically what he's asking. And we got the deal done. Awesome. Eric Reed also is ready to negotiate. He's 25. It's still really young. We're going to offer him what he's asking. Oh, never mind. That's not what he's asking. Have to look at that again next time. We'll have to wait for the other guys. So, you guys have to let me know about Carlos Hyde. We're going to go ahead and scout some more cornerbacks because we really do need secondary help. And if we can find a guy in this draft to help us, that would be excellent. So far, there's no good corners at all. This guy's okay. Late 3rd rounder. Jamal Ellensworth, 22 years old out of Minnesota. All right. We will favorite him. Look at all the players we scouted. Wow, that quarterback's gonna be good. Throw power, short accuracy, throw. Accuracy mid. Wow, okay. We'll add him to our draft board. We're not gonna be able to pass on a guy if he's that good. I know they said this guy is undrafted talent, but I like. Alright guys, I haven't been making very many trades at all, but I really had to get someone to help in our secondary. We went for Jalen Collins. He is the 3rd best cornerback on the Falcons, so he's not like one of their 2 best players. He's still 81 overall, so he's a very good corner, but he's not their best, so it's like it kind of makes sense for them to like be more okay with getting rid of him. But they had a really big need at right end, so we offered them Eric Armstead, and then we also offered them Quan Williams, who's a 75 overall cornerback, so they're taking a slight downgrade at the cornerback position, getting a young talented defensive end. I know Eric Armstead is very talented, but we really need the help in the secondary, and we have Lynch and one other guy at right end that I think can really carry us and be good for us. And I think Aaron Lynch is going to be a starter for a while there, so I can do it without Armstead. We're giving up this year's 3rd round pick because we have 2 of them, and we also have 3 2nd round picks, and then we're getting a 2019 1st round pick from the Falcons. So overall, this move is going to help us immensely in the secondary. We're just getting rid of one of our backup defensive ends and a cornerback positional upgrade and getting a 1st round pick. So overall, good trade. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. So we do need a right tackle after our last tackle got injured. So we're actually looking at 68 overall, 22-year-old Sam Tempe out of Utah, 6'5", 311 pounds. He's got really decent run block and pass block. His awareness needs to improve, but his strength and his impact block are pretty good. We're going to go ahead and sign him to our active roster and likely start him, but we might also have a different right tackle. We'll have to look at the depth chart after. Alright, so looking at the right tackle position, we have Gary Gilliam and Sam Tempe. But if you look at their pass block and run block, Tempe is actually better, and in that regard, we're going to make him starter because he's 4 overall worse, but he does have the better blocking stats, and he's a rookie. We're going to see how well he holds up. If he just doesn't block very well, then we'll have Gilliam play. And then left end, Buckner still, right end, Aaron Lynch will start, and then Deshaun Hall out of Texas A&M will back up him. So even though we traded Armstead, we do have Deshaun Hall, and I think he's going to be a really good backup for us. He's going to do really well at that position. We still have the same D tackles. Let me know what you guys think about picking up a few free agent, maybe D tackles. But yeah, that's it for adjusting our depth chart. Unless we change. I want to make Tarek Cohen our returner. I think he's got potential because he's so agile and pretty fast. I like the idea of doing that, so let's just do that quick. And that's it for trades and... oh wait, sorry. It's not it. We gotta look at our newly acquired cornerback quick. That's not a cornerback. And there he is, Jalen Collins, 2nd year out of LSU, 81 overall, 24 years old. That helps a lot to go from a 77 overall and a 75 overall to a 77 and 81, so awesome. Time to go ahead and get into our weekly training. I think I'm just going to be playing offense again this week. Defense was okay, but it only got me a little bit of extra XP. You guys let me know if I really should be playing. We're not too far apart. Ooh, okay. Let's sign him. I think it's Garoppolo they're talking about, because we've actually made him some offers. But yeah, we'll sign him and get some extra XP. Let's go ahead and start our game this week against 2-2 Colts at Lucas Oil Stadium. I have a feeling, guys, we're going for our first. Are we going to come up for the first drive of the game here? Hopefully we can have a good first drive like we have recently in these last games, but I really want to get in a roll here because I want to win a game. Ooh. Hey, Reuben Foster comes back next week. That's good. Garcon, you're my best receiver. I need you to hold on to some of these. 1-2 twice. 1-2 twice, man. What a pass. Great. Alright, they're bringing us on defense. We missed the extra point again. Alright guys, I think we need to draft a kicker. Let's be honest. Our kicker keeps missing it, we're gonna have to draft one. I just can't stop anybody, and then I can't make extra points, so it's just super hard to win games. Aaron Lynch. That was a good contract signing. Very good. He's played super well this year when I've been playing. Awesome. One more stop. One more stop. We'll do a field goal. They went left. We stopped them anyways. Good play. 4th and goal, should have held them to field goal. Let's see. Alright, looks like it. They bring us in, we gotta make the stop on 3rd down. So we're gonna run cover 1, robber press. We got the pressure, had to force the pass. So we did hold them on for 3rd down. Likely they'll be kicking a field goal. And they did not. They either punted or missed the field goal. Alright, red zone alert. We got a chance at this one. Finally, we get some offense. Good run, good run, good run. Let's just run it right in. Let's run it right in, guys. Oh, we got this. We got this. Touchdown. Right, they're bringing us in on 3rd down. Again, hopefully we can make a good stop. I'm going to try to get a good pass rush on them. No way. How did that happen? I wasn't even looking at him. No way. We need to get a stop here. 3rd and 1. I'm gonna pinch the line in the linebackers. Hopefully clog the holes. No. Well, that's a guaranteed touchdown by them, no? That's how play the moments works. Oh, they're gonna really play it. Okay, we got a chance. I probably could use their sack, but I was going to try to stop the screenplay. But Caleb Brantley got him. So we got kind of lucky there. Hopefully our man coverage can hold up so that we can get the splits in. Jalen Collins. Awesome. Perfect. It makes me feel good about that pickup already. Too much. Alright, we held them. Field goal, we'll still be winning. Hey, we get offense. We're actually winning this game in the third quarter. Great throw on the run to the tight end. Good route by him. And we get to play the red zone. Awesome. Hopefully get a grapple into a touchdown. Yard gain. Why is Garoppolo's passing percentage always so bad? He's 80 overall, that's not terrible. But when the user plays him, it's just awful. He was wide open. I had my item the whole time, he was my first read. We missed the extra point again. How is this happening? I'm gonna check the stats at the end of the game. If we miss the extra points again, that's ridiculous. We need a new kicker. I'm gonna have to draft one for free agency, hopefully. That's unacceptable. It's losing us games. Probably lost us at least 2 games, if not 3. Of course, we still don't get to play any offense, we just get to play defense, get a stop. Why are these running backs getting 150 yards rushing every time I sim? Every single time. Frank Gore. That is unreal. Oh no, what? I have no explanation for that last play at all. I don't understand. Three sacks. We're gonna go the entire year without winning a game. That's sad. I don't understand. Sorry, guys. Hey, Lynch made a good play. Oh. $153 yards. I don't understand. I don't get it. I'll call a timeout. He didn't catch that? He had it and he was in the end zone. That's a touchdown. Alright guys, 0-5. It doesn't taste good. Garoppolo's not playing well. We might just have to chalk it up and let Beathard play. And then if Beathard plays well, then just not extend Garoppolo, honestly. He's not playing well at all. Hyde had 49 yards rushing, receiving. Goodwin had a good game. Nobody else did. Pierce on 1 for 1. Like, what is this sim? The simming makes no sense. Lots of tackles by our defense because their offense had a lot. Caleb Brantley had 2 tackles for a loss and a sack. Jalen Collins did really well when we played with him. Solomon Thomas had a sack and a tackle for a loss. Aaron Lynch 2 tackles for a loss, half sack. Buckner had a half sack. Awesome. Yeah, I don't know really what to do to win. We might have to give Beathard a shot. I just don't. He'd be cheaper at least. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Beathard, Garoppolo. Something's not working. I don't know what it is. But 0-5 starts the season, guys. That'll do it for this episode. Thank you so much for tuning into episode 8. They wait till the 4th quarter to let us play offense, and they bring us in on 4th and 4. It's kind of frustrating.